Introduction to Rubber Tyred Gantry Cranes, RTG. The Rubber Tyred Gantry Crane, RTG, is an essential piece of equipment for container handling at ports and terminals. Designed for flexibility and high efficiency, RTGs are crucial for moving and stacking containers in busy, high-demand environments. Main components: hoist provides lifting power for containers. Spreader ensures secure handling of containers during lifting. Wheels allow for mobility across the terminal. Control systems enable precise operation and automation. Key features and advancements: high flexibility, can operate on various terrains and tight spaces. Energy efficiency, equipped with energy-saving systems, reducing operational costs. High lifting capacity, designed to handle containers up to 40 feet in length with ease. Advanced safety systems, features such as overload protection and collision detection enhance operational safety. Applications in port container handling. Standard containers, typically 20 to 40 feet in length, including dry cargo and refrigerated containers. Efficient stacking and retrieval, optimizes space and improves turnaround times in terminals. Versatile operations, ideal for loading, unloading, and stacking containers in congested areas. RTGs are integral to maintaining productivity and ensuring smooth container handling in fast-paced port operations.